Okay, here is a complete photography kit, videography kit from RALENO. I am so excited about this. I frequently shoot here in our kitchen, and there's a ton of natural light and not so much artificial light, and they're all different colors, and it is generically terrible. So let me put this together, set it up, and let's see if it improves the game. We'll experiment together. Okay, this is a little crazy, the amount of close lighting I have going on, but if you knew my wife, she is such a fan of close lighting.
Love it.
She loves it, she loves it, but I wanted to make sure I got all this in so you could see how wild is this. Like, I wish this existed 15 years ago when we started doing photography. Now, you watch the time lapse and you saw these things just pop open. And then you put the cover on them. It used to be you would sit there with like 8 of these crazy wire things and bending them. Anyway, for what this costs, absolutely amazing. I'm going to tell you one other super value add to this. So this is our white background, which obviously I would steam if we were doing a real shoot. But it comes with black, comes with white, and green screen. I've wanted green screen for so long, but if you were to go buy a green screen, the basic green screen setup will cost you more than this whole thing does. So that is a tremendous value. I also had my own sandbag. It comes with a sandbag, which is used for this. Speaking of this key light here,
That's a nice one.
it is a nice one, but I am going to lodge one minor complaint, which is this is about as high as you can get it, and so I happen to be 6'2" tall, so it makes it very difficult for me. But for what the value is here, to be looking for a large enough stand to move it up high, and we happen to be lucky to have very high ceilings here. Most people don't. So overall, super effective. If I were going to dream up a different thing, I would look for a taller, a little more substantial tripod thing to hold the key light. I would look for that, but that is not really a significant gripe at all. That's just my own personal gripe, and it also comes with a reflector. Those you still have to unwind with. It's like origami, so that's why it's still in there. Throw it to me. The most fun about that is not only did my wife throw it, if you only knew how not her it is to randomly throw something that could knock something down. So yeah, do I look warmer?
I like.
Or I could look colder?
Put it underneath you.
Go tanning, if I want to go tanning. Anyway, these are really helpful. You can actually either have a person hold them to assist you, or you can mount these with, it comes with a bunch of clamps. You can mount these on one of these poles, something like that, however you want. Lots of flexibility. Let's see if I still remember how to do the magic. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. One-shot deal. Don't ever ask me. I can make a YouTube short on how to close up those reflectors. Probably be 80 million people who would watch them. I can't believe I just did it for a shot. Overall, this whole thing is phenomenally ridiculous in a good way. Speaking of phenomenally ridiculous in a good way, you're still watching this. I hope you're supporting the channel. Subscribe, follow, give us a like, put a comment below. Do you have a question? How would you be using this? Are you going to use it for photography, videography? What do you like to shoot? Let us know. We all want to hear about it, talk about it. Put it in the comment below. So my final thoughts are, if you're either just starting out your photography, videography activity, or you're just looking to upgrade your game, cannot go wrong here with all this. Buy it. There should be a link below to do that if you want to do that. Buy it, enjoy it. It will be nothing but helpful for you. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.